I'm Jamie and today I'm going to show you my Black Friday haul. I got 2 nail stuff I'm going to show you. This is Nail Supreme and I'm going to show you inside the box. There's lots of color like pens inside, like that. Oh, it's like this. It's neon color, but you can just take it off like that. You can just take it off like that. It's really cool. Here you can see the pen, and then when you push it in back, it will close back. Okay, then I will show you my lovely nail chop. This is my lovely nail chop, and I'll show you my lovely nail chop. It's like this, and there's a stem here. There's some plates inside with design. It's like this. There's 2 plates with designs inside. No, 4 plates. Okay, and then there is 3 colors inside, which is white, red, and black. And there's a instruction guide inside. Thanks for watching. Bye.